I used to hear people say,
I'm not ugly, I'm just broke.
or I'm not dirty, I'm just broke. Like, are you serious right now? The only problem is that you haven't figured out that you can actually work with what you have and how to apply it to yourself. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing me, I'm Natasha Eza by name, and on this channel I create content on how to become the best version of yourself, how to glow up, how to take care of yourself, and everything radiating around self-improvement and self-care. So if that looks like content you're interested in watching or you like watching, join the family by subscribing to this channel and turning on the post notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Today I'll be sharing with you tips that you can follow and you should follow in order to look put together every day, even when you're broke. Now you need to know that looking put together is not about being expensive. Expensive does not equal to put together. You do not need all the luxury in the world in order to look put together. It is actually the little things that makes you look put together. And some of these things are: number one, ironed clothes. Your clothes have to be ironed. You need to iron your clothes always. Don't go around wearing rumpled clothes and expect people to see you as someone that looks put together. Like, come on, how does this person look to you? And how does this person look to you? The difference is clear. There's something about ironing your clothes, wearing ironed clothes versus wearing rumpled clothes. It will make you look so put together, like you have everything figured out. Now, your clothes doesn't have to be those expensive, luxurious clothes before you can take care of them, like ironing them. You can actually take care of your thrifted clothes. Yes, thrifted clothes. Many people wear thrifted clothes that if you look at them, you will not believe that some of those clothes are actually thrifted. Even if you can't afford the luxurious, expensive clothes like Chanel, Gucci, Versace, and all that, you can start with what you have. You don't have to go broke in order to look put together. And even when you are broke, you can still look put together. Getting thrifted clothes, making sure that they are neat, ironed, washed, and always clean when you wear them. You will always look put together. So please, ironing your clothes is number one when it comes to looking put together. Now, if you are the busy type, like the busy girlies, maybe you work a 9 to 5, or actually 8 to 5. Okay, they generalize it as 9 to 5, even if you start from 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. to work. Or you're a student, you're always busy, you're always on the run. You can actually plan the day before by ironing your clothes, because most of the time the reason why some people do not look put together is because they're always in a hurry, and being in a hurry, they don't iron their clothes. They just take it from wheresoever, put it on. Now, this is a bonus tip. You can always have your clothes ironed and hanged in the wardrobe. For example, if you do your laundry, let's say on a Saturday, if you're the type that has washing machine, all those automatic washing machines that if you wash now you can dry them now and all that, you can actually iron all your clothes for the week or for 2 weeks and then hang them in the wardrobe, so that anytime you're in a hurry, you can just bring out the clothes and just put it on and you're good to go. So please, in every way, whatever method, whatever way you can make sure that your clothes are always ironed, do that, because iron clothes are one of the most important things that will make you look put together even when you are broke. Be it thrifted clothes, be it luxurious clothes. Now, I did not tell you that you should not go for luxurious clothes. Of course, if you have the money, good for you. But if you're the type that you're on a budget, you don't have to go broke. You can actually buy your thrifted clothes or wear whatever clothes that you have, but making sure that they are always ironed. Tip number 2 is good grooming. You have to make sure that you are always well groomed. When I'm talking of grooming, I'm talking about your hair, talking about your nails, your teeth, your ears, taking good care of yourself. Now, when I'm talking about hair, I'm not telling you to go and wear your wig, because there are some people that actually do not wear wigs, that do not like wigs. There's some people that do not like braids. Like, go for whatsoever. If you like, you can also cut your hair, your decision, but always making sure that your hair is in good condition. It is always neat. When I'm talking about hair, you don't have to always go for the luxurious types. Even if you are broke, like in reality you are really broke, you can actually go for cornrows. Like, I used to see some ladies going around in their cornrows, and they're always looking so neat and clean. You'll be like, wow, this lady actually looks put together, not knowing that she's actually broke, but she's actually taking care of herself and looking put together. So you can go for hairstyles, cheap hairstyles like cornrows, big buns and all that. You can go for cheap hairstyles, but always making sure that they are neat, always making sure that your nails are neat. Now look at me, I look put together, but I didn't fix any nails because, of course, I'm on a break. My nails need to heal. I've been fixing some artificial nails and I need them to heal. Now, if you're the type that does not like artificial nails, you can actually look put together with your natural nails. There are some women that I admire so much, like growing their natural nails, and if you look at those their natural nails, they're always looking so healthy, so strong, and so neat. They take good care of them, and that is actually a lot of effort in taking care of your natural nails, like not allowing them to chip off, because sometimes my nails like chipping off. They get too soft sometimes, too brittle, and that's why I've left them on a break for them to grow and get healthy again. Taking a break from artificial nails sometimes is very important. But if you're also the type that likes fixing artificial nails but do not have the money for going for acrylics, you can stick to press-on nails. There are actually a lot of affordable press-on nails that you can put on. So looking put together involves good grooming, neat hair, neat nails, clean teeth, clean ears, everything surrounding your self-care must be clean. That is how you look put together. Tip number 3 in looking put together even when you are broke, especially for the busy girlies, is skincare. Now, when some people mention skincare, we think that, oh, I have to go broke before I can take care of my skin. No. They are actually affordable products, like really, really affordable products that you can go for that works. Them being affordable does not mean that they do not work. They actually work, and I can actually make a video on that. That is if you're interested. If you're interested, you can comment below and I'll do a video for that. But that aside, there are actually skincare products that are very, very affordable that you can go for in taking care of your skin. And another tip is water. Drinking a lot of water actually glows up your skin. I don't know if you have heard of that or if you have ever tried that, but drinking a lot of water actually glows up your skin. So make sure that you're drinking a lot of water. That is a bonus tip. You're welcome. So good skincare, taking care of your skin, and taking care of your skin will actually make you not to be in need of makeup to cover like your dark spots. Or taking care of your skin actually is very important, even if you are the type that likes putting on makeup. Like when you see all those people with spotless skin, smooth skin, glowing skin, when they actually put their makeup, it actually enhances their natural beauty even the more. And actually, having rough skin and skin that you're not taking care of and using makeup to hide it. So skincare is very, very important when it comes to looking put together even when you are broke. Another tip, or rather tip number 4, when it comes to looking to put together even when you're broke, is knowing what suits you. Now, when I talk about knowing what suits you, is knowing your personality, knowing your body type, knowing the shape of your face, the kind of shape of nails that fits you, the kind of sunglasses, the shape of sunglasses that fits you, the colors of clothes that suits your skin color, and all that. Knowing what suits you is very important because, for example, you are let me say, you're short, like your height is not that tall height, you're short and you're going for things like this. It doesn't make sense. Okay, everybody has what suits them, everybody has what fits them when it comes to clothes, accessories, and all that. So knowing what suits you is very important to look put together. For example, like me, a side part in most of my hairstyles is what actually looks good on me than the center part. Not like that I cannot wear center parts sometimes I do rock my center parts, but I found out that the side parts actually look more better on me because of my shape of my head, and there's some kind of hairstyles that I can't do, especially when it comes to braiding, because of my forehead. Like, I have mastered the kind of things that suits me and the kind of things that do not suit me, and I try to stick to the things that suit me because they are those things that will make me look more put together. There are some people that their forehead, they have a very wide forehead, and there's some kind of styles that they cannot wear because it will not look good on them. But there's some kind of styles that when you rock those hairstyles or those things, those accessories, those kind of clothes, you actually look so, so good in them. So you always have to know what suits your body type, what suits you best, and everything about your personality. Another thing that I found that actually makes you look put together is an organized space, an organized closet. Like, have you had visitors come to your house and your house is so clean, so organized, and everything is in place, and they're like, you look so put together, you look so clean and all that. And another important tip is that when it comes to having an organized space is Simplicity, minimalism. You don't have to have all clutters of stuff. That is what I've come to learn. And I'm actually planning on even doing more declutter, though I've not had that time because, of course, I'm a student, of course, I'm a mom, of course, I'm a wife, of course, I'm a businesswoman. But yeah, I'm actually planning on, doing some declutter because I've found out that when you have actually little things in your space, little things in your closet, it actually makes you look more put together. It actually makes you more clean. And even when it comes to cleaning, it will need no minimal effort in doing that cleaning because you do not have a lot of things lying up and down and all that. So an organized space is very important when it comes to looking put together. And a bonus tip is what? Making sure that you have, just a little things in your space, minimalism and simplicity. That is what will help, in keeping your space organized every day, even when you do not have time. Another thing that makes you look put together, even when you're broke, is dainty jewelry. Like I've heard so many girlies talking about this, and I've also noticed that whenever I put on dainty jewelry, I actually look, put together. I actually look more elegant and more classy. Like this is a dainty jewelry. Like when we talk about dainty jewelry, I'm actually talking about simplicity at its peak. Like simple jewelry. You don't have to have all those clusters of jewelry. Like I'm not criticizing those that actually, different occasions requires different, dressings. There are some occasions that you go to, some events that you attend that you actually need those kind of a lot of jewelry going on. But on your normal day, like on your everyday routines, everyday activities, wearing a simple dainty jewelry is actually the best, and it will make you look put together. You don't have to start thinking, oh, which jewelry do I have to wear, which necklace do I have to rock, which earring do I have to rock. Like even right now I'm putting on just my studs, nothing serious, and the simple my simple bangle, simple watch, simple ring. Like all these things are actually not necessary. There are some days that I don't even wear my wristwatch. There are some days that I don't even wear my bangles. I'll just put on my necklace. And there's also some days that I don't actually wear necklaces. So it all depends on the activity, on the occasion, but simple is what makes you look put together. Simplicity, minimalism. You actually need minimal effort in looking put together. Even when you're broke, you don't have to stress yourself, oh, what do I wear and all that. Just minimalism is the thing. Another thing that makes you look put together even when you're broke is having a good perfume. Applying a good perfume. Now when I'm talking about perfume, I'm not only referring to luxurious perfumes, those perfumes that are very expensive. They are actually affordable perfumes, cheap, yes, cheap perfumes that actually smell good and last long. You just have to do your findings in your location. Okay, it doesn't even have to be a perfume. It can be a body mist, it can be a body spray, it can be a body fantasy. They are actually affordable and cheap body perfumes, body sprays, and all that out there that you can actually make your research on. Having a good perfume, smelling nice and smelling clean will actually give the message that you actually look put together, and no one will know that you're broke because you smell good. And don't listen to those people that will actually tell you that you have to invest in expensive perfumes before you actually smell good or look put together. It is a lie. There are actually good perfumes out there that are very cheap and very affordable that smell like luxury. And another tip is mixing like 3 or 2 perfumes, body sprays or body mist or whatsoever that you want to use. Mixing them up can actually give you a luxurious scent, and people will be like, what perfume do you use? And you'll be like, because you actually mix different perfumes or different body sprays. It was not actually a particular perfume. So you don't have to break the bank before you smell good. A good perfume is also a good thing. Smelling nice is also a good message to people that you actually look put together even when you're broke. Now, another thing that is actually free that can make you look put together. In fact, this is the most important thing. To me, this is like the most important thing, and that is good posture. Having a good posture makes you look put together. Like those shoulders tilted to the back, standing upright, placing your chin high and all that. All those good postures actually make you look put together. They actually make you look elegant. Like imagine when you step into a room, with your good posture and your heels or whatsoever. They'll be like, oh, this girl actually has everything figured out. This girl actually looks put together. So having a good posture is very, very important. I found out that, especially sometimes like me, I used to, and that does not make you look put together. It does not make you look put together. Like even when you dress well, your hair is neat and all that, a bad posture can actually spoil everything. But having a good posture can actually make your overall look, your overall appearance look a 10 over 10. Now, I'm going to give you two examples. Look at this person and look at this person. Can you tell the difference? Of course, good posture is very, very important. It will make you look put together even when you are broke. And you can watch my next video that I'll be posting on this channel. The link will be in the description box and on the end screen, here or here, whatever, on how to look good every day in just 20 minutes or less. Okay, that is a video that you should watch, because I believe if you have watched this video, you should actually watch that video. It is very, very important, and it is actually similar but different. How to look good every day in just 20 minutes or less. If you have watched till now, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not liked this video, make sure you like this video, because come on, I shared some good tips with you. And please subscribe to my channel. It really supports my channel and makes me grow and also create more content like this for you. And if you would like to become a member of this family, you're supposed to be subscribed and also turn on the post notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video, so that you will not miss out on anyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I used to hear people say I'm not dirty, I'm ugly, or I'm not, what am I saying? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha Eze by name, and if today is your first time of seeing me, I'm Natasha. What am I saying? Then make sure that they're always clean and neat. Good. Nepal, Nigeria. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. How are you beautiful? How are you beautiful?